These are new old songs. We just made a jazz album called Sunday Morning Put On. And I'm going to do an old song of mine that's in the 32 bar jazz ballad form. It's called Why. Why did you do that? You shouldn't have done that. If I told you once, I told you 3 times that you get your punishment when you show me your crumbs, and it's not a spell or a curse you put on me. So tenderly, how I wish it was. I wish it was your temper you were throwing. Thank you for being so easy going. I thought the time would tell my schemes will provoke you. Give me that line. Don't try to tell me that inaction's not a crime. Oh, can't you see what kind of seeds you're so? Why'd you do that? Oh, why'd I do what? Not really doing anything, to tell you the truth. That's just it. Why'd you have to go ahead and do? Why'd you have to go ahead and do nothing? Spins would provoke you. Oh, to red snow. Don't give me that line. Don't try to tell me that inaction's not a crime. How I wish it was. How I wish it was your dishes you were throwing. Damn you for being so easygoing.